Have you ever thought about what you would do if you were truly lost in the wilderness with no way to call for help? This book offers a powerful solution to that problem. In just a few simple steps, you will learn exactly how to signal for rescue in a way that trained pilots are specifically taught to look for. First, understand how aerial search and rescue actually works and what catches a pilot's eye from high above. Next, discover the specific signals, patterns, and materials that create maximum visibility from 10,000 feet. Then, learn how to use what's already around you to build with calm confidence instead of panic. Picture this. You've been lost for 2 days. You with calm confidence instead of panic. Picture this. You've been lost for 2 days. You hear a distant engine. You quickly deploy the signal technique from this book, and within minutes the plane banks toward you. That moment of relief is something you prepared for, and it saved your life. Remember, survival rarely comes down to strength. It comes down to knowledge. Knowing the right rescue signal is a game changer. It creates visibility, hope, and a way back home. Don't wait. Grab your copy of The Rescue Signal Pilot Spot from 10,000 Feet and make sure you're never truly lost again today.